Hello everyone, today we'll do yoga position and how to stretch your body and feel good. I will show you now some exercises which you can do at home. So let's start. First, what you're starting to do, I will take my legs and open my hip and take my body up. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that we will take our leg 1, take 2, take up and back. Let's try 1, open, back, 2, and the last one. Sit in this position and try relax. So guys, if you want beautiful stretch, stay with me. Okay, after that we will work increase mobility and back, 2 and back, 3 and back. After that try little bit turn and stretching the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's take leg and slowly try slide behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like and subscribe me and take me like. So bye.